Okay guys, so last video I did how to do this same problem with substitution, but now I'm going to do it with elimination, just to give you some options of what you like to do. So I figured out that we're going to have N for notebooks, and we're going to have T for thumb drive. Troy, he has 5 notebooks, and he has 14 thumb drives, and that's going to equal his total 286. Now Lisa, she bought 9 notebooks, and she also bought 6 thumb drives, and she spent a total of $150. Now since we have our 2 equations made, boom, we're going to do some elimination. So elimination means we have to eliminate one of the 2 terms, so either T or N. So a way to eliminate it is by multiplying everything by a number. And what I mean by that is, let's say I want to cancel out this N. I know that 9 times 5 equals 45. So I can multiply this whole equation by 9 and this whole equation by 5 to get a 45 and 45 in the end position. But 45 plus 45 does not cancel out, so we need a negative 45 and a positive 45 for it to equal 0. So I have that negative 9, and I'm going to distribute it to all of these 3 terms, and same with this 5. I'm going to distribute it to all of these 3 terms right here. So let's rewrite my equation. I have a negative 45 N minus 70 T. Oops, nope, that's not right. Negative 9 times 14. That's a negative 126. T, and that's going to equal a negative 2,500. There's our first equation. Now for our second one, we're going to distribute that 5. So we have a positive 45N plus 30T equals 750. So once we get this far, then all we do is just add them together. Negative 45 plus 45, that cancels, that equals 0, right? Negative 126 plus 30 is a negative 96T, and a negative 2,574 plus positive 750 is going to give us a negative 824. So we almost have T by itself. It's being multiplied by this negative 96. So the multiplication is division. So we're going to actually divide both sides by negative 96. Negative 96 divided by negative 96 cancels, and that equals T. And then negative 1,824 divided by negative 96 is a positive 19. So we found that the price for thumb drives is $19. Now we have to, since we know that T is 19, let's go ahead and substitute in 19 for T. So we have a 5N from the first equation, 5N plus 14T, replace it with 19, and that's going to equal 286. If I do that, I'm going to get $5N plus 266 equals 286. When we do that, we bring the 266 over, so that's going to equal a 5n equals 20. We divide by 5 to get n by itself, and we get n as $4.